I'm Leanne and I was sent this garden hose holder in exchange for my review, so I'm going to unbox it and show you how it works. Everything you need to build it is included. That's the instruction manual, the Allen wrenches, and all the pieces. The instructions are easy to follow. The main frame pieces slide together in place, and then you have screws to tighten at every joint. This is me stabilizing the crossbeam at the bottom to keep it secure. Next, I'm going to put a screw in each one of those joints where the main pieces slid together. When that's done, I'm going to start assembly on the basket. You put these two rods here in the top two notches. After those are secured, the basket goes on. I'm not tightening anything fully until I have all of the pieces in place. Leaving the screws loose allows me to make sure everything gets where it's supposed to be before I tighten it up. Here I'm just tightening every screw with the Allen wrench that came included. It took me about 15 minutes to assemble this. You have the stakes there at the bottom that will go in the ground, the cute bird picture, and the additional basket here where you could place something you need to. When you put it in the yard, you want to make sure you stake it all the way down. That makes it really secure. It can hold a 150-foot hose, and the little basket there can hold an additional sprayer, gardening gloves, whatever you might need. This would make a really fun gift for anyone you know that loves to garden. In summary, I think this is a really good product. I liked that it's strong, and it also provides a little additional touch to a garden. It's not a kind of a standard plastic box. So if you're looking for something that's cute, strong, this product will do the trick. I do recommend it.